boost turnover by differentiation, avoid additional costs by standardization. This doesn't have to be a contradiction. These three doors are identical in size and drilling pattern, and also the cabinets behind the doors are identical. Still, the function is very different, and also customers perceive them as more or less valuable. Down here we have a door without soft closing, then a door in handleless design with a push-to-open application, and up here a door which is gently soft closing. This difference in furniture function only comes from different hinge functionalities. Of course, every Sensys hinge is available with integrated silent system. But to allow easy differentiation, every hinge version is also available without self-closing feature for push-to-open application and also without silent system. With standardized furniture parts, identical furniture parts, totally different furniture can be created just by using a different Sensys hinge.